What's up, guys? I'm over here at 1295 South Getty in Muskegon. This is a rental property I just bought yesterday, and we had a busy week this week. Sorry, it's kind of blown out image, but we had a closing, sold the house on Holton Road that I probably showed you guys, the one that was a nightmare with the septic and everything. And then we bought this house yesterday as well. So I will try to turn this camera around and show you what it looks like. Might be a couple clips that I'll put in here of the house. But yeah, we bought this one for $60,000. It's probably worth like 100 or 110 fixed up. It's not like the best area ever, but instead of renting it out traditionally, what I'm thinking is to rent this thing out as a furnished rental on Furnished Finder instead of a traditional rental. So I'll make a couple hundred extra bucks a month, I think, if I can do that stable consistently. If not, then we just throw the rest of the stuff out and throw it up on a regular rental and make 100 150 bucks a month. The real reason that we're keeping it is for the equity. I mean, it's gonna have like $50,000 in equity within the first 3 months or so. So that's pretty much the plan. All right, I'll show you around the house now. All right, guys, welcome back. So this is the inside of the house. Now, this is what you get, These are the kind of houses that I buy. And as you can see, there's a lot of clutter in here. But the layout is not bad. I mean, it's really not that bad. So this is part of the reason why I want to try to rent it out on like Furnished Finder, because everything is already here. I mean, I have all the appliances. These people just moved like 3 years ago and never came back. And so they left all their stuff here, got a new house in a different town. But I have, dining room table, an office, I guess, a desk, more or less. The living room. I mean, everything's fine. There's nothing wrong with this house the way that it is. There's a couch. Couch isn't great. Unfortunately, it's missing the back cushions, but maybe we can find some replacements for that. You got a front porch, front entry, and a bedroom over here. I mean, look at this. There's like nothing wrong with this house. Really, there's just not. You need to put some switches in, a bed, that's about it. I mean, and then the other bedroom was this guy's office / like gaming room or something. So there's a lot of holes in the walls and stuff like that, but all we got to do is get all this stuff thrown out and fill these holes, paint the walls. There's 2 closets in each bedroom. It's a great house. I mean, 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom. I'll show you the bathroom too. Big bathroom with laundry, toilet, vanity, mirror, another mirror, and then you have laundry right here, and here's your shower. Big old stand-up walk-in shower. You got the bath fan, the attic access right here, and then the basement. So the basement is standard. Not a whole lot going on in the basement, but there's a few wall foundation issues, clearly. I mean, check this out, right? Like, that's pretty gnarly. So this wall is like buckling inwards pretty bad, but I already have a guy on Friday coming to put in some beams, like I-beams, to support this wall, like all the way up and down. I think he's putting in like 4 or 5 beams. Plumbing was recently updated, like all new main lines, which is a big deal. That's expensive. There were some leaks in the water lines. This guy had the power off. He wasn't running the furnace in the wintertime, and I don't think he ever winterized the house, so he had some leaks in some of these water lines. But the cool thing is, he's a very understanding guy. He's a veteran, quite like myself, and he wants to do the right thing and pay for the plumbing to get fixed, so I don't have to. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, I could show you around the exterior if you want, but there's not a whole lot going on out here either. I'll just run you around real quick. This is the driveway. It's pretty tight. We're on a busy road. There's a lot of businesses over here. Like, we got a tire shop right here. Next door, we have a front-end suspension clinic. And this is the front of the house right here, so just in the driveway. And this is the outside as I'm walking down the driveway. Really nothing crazy, just a lot of junk and clutter that needs to be removed from the property. As you can see back here, I mean, we got desks, plants. The guy grew weed. It even has central air. I didn't even know that. I mean, you guys, like, for $60,000, I got a central air unit, you know, fully functional house. Like, this is just insane. Where else can you buy a house for $60,000 and have it be this nice? So thanks for checking that out, guys. A lot of garbage and stuff out here that we're gonna take care of. We got a dumpster coming tomorrow. Plumbing guys hopefully are coming in the next couple days. I don't have an exact date on that. And we're gonna get this thing turned around pretty quick and see how it goes renting it as a furnished rental. So, you know, just keep looking for update video. I'll probably update you guys when we have a little bit more time on this one and experience with the furnished side of it. I think it'll do okay. So if not, we have an exit strategy. So that's important, most important. All right, guys, thanks for chiming in, and talk to you soon. All right, bye.